4 yogurts that fight arthritis and strengthen legs. Are you battling joint discomfort, knee stiffness, or leg weakness? Imagine if one simple cup of yogurt could transform your arthritis and leg strength. Surprising, right? Today, discover 4 powerful yogurts that are delicious, creamy, and proven to slash inflammation, boost joint health, and naturally amp up leg strength. This isn't a fleeting fad. These are nutrient-packed with probiotics, backed by doctors and experts for those over 50 craving pain-free activity. You're exactly where you need to be to supercharge mobility, build strength, and conquer arthritis. If you're a senior prioritizing health, hit subscribe now. Weekly, we deliver practical natural tips for a longer, healthier, stronger life. Stick around to the end. The final yogurt is a hidden gem you likely haven't heard of, poised to become your daily ritual. Let's jump in. Start with Greek yogurt, the protein-packed powerhouse your joints crave. This under-the-radar superfood hides in plain sight. Forget yogurt as a mere snack. Greek yogurt changes everything. Twice the protein of regular yogurt, it's a game changer for over 50s. Why? Aging erodes muscle mass, especially in legs and hips, critical for balance, walking, and fall prevention. Protein rebuilds muscle. 1 cup delivers up to 20 grams of top-tier protein, fueling strong, flexible legs. But wait, it's also brimming with calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics that tame joint inflammation from the inside. Studies confirm probiotics boost immune function and drop C-reactive protein, a prime inflammation marker for arthritis. Greek yogurt nourishes muscles and attacks inflammation source. Versatility seals the deal. Blend into smoothies, swap for sour cream, or savor plain with berries or nuts. Simple, cheap, effective. But it's just the start. The next yogurt hides a game-changing ingredient for superior joint support. Yogurt number 2, turmeric-infused, nature's ultimate anti-inflammatory powerhouse. This isn't ordinary dairy. It's yogurt blended with turmeric, stealing the spotlight from researchers for potent benefits. Why? Turmeric's curcumin, a top-studied natural anti-inflammatory, eases joint pain, boosts mobility, and slows arthritis in over 50s. Catch? Curcumin's absorption is tricky. Yogurt fixes that. Its fats unlock curcumin's power. Probiotics balance gut bacteria, key for chronic inflammation and rheumatoid arthritis. Add black pepper, and you've got a delicious, body-friendly snack, sweet with honey and cinnamon, or savory as a dip or dressing. Whip it up at home. It often outshines OTC drugs, side effect free. Stiff knees or swollen joints. This golden mix could be your morning savior, yet it misses one key for lubricated, pain-free joints. That's yogurt 3, overlooked by most. Yogurt number 3, omega-3 enriched, the joint lubricant your knees crave. Tired of constant stiffness, grinding, or creaky knees? Omega-3 fortified yogurt is your answer, a rising star in functional foods. What sets it apart? It's loaded with omega-3s from salmon, flaxseed, walnuts, heart heroes that supercharge arthritis and leg strength. Research proves EPA and DHA ease stiffness, cut swelling, and slow cartilage loss in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. They work cellularly, slashing joint inflammation and ramping up synovial fluid, your body's natural lube for friction-free knees and hips. Paired with yogurts, probiotics, and calcium, it's double duty. Gut health curbs inflammation, omega-3s conquer it body-wide. Result? Less pain, smoother moves, stronger legs from a handy snack. Grab omega-3 fortified brands or DIY. Stir in ground flax, chia, or fish oil. Plant-based, go vegetarian omega-3s, easy, affordable, transformative for morning joint feel. But the real standout, even among protein, anti-inflammatory, omega yogurts, Yogurt 4 rebuilds connective tissue with a rare nutrient few discuss. Yogurt 4, collagen-enriched, the youth elixir for your joints. You've made it this far. Brace for life-changing info for knees, back, hands, every aching joint. Collagen-boosting yogurt isn't hype. It's your anti-aging ally against stiffness and degeneration. If inflammation's the fire and poor nutrition the fuel, this extinguishes and rebuilds. Joints rely on connective tissues, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, collagen network for strength, flexibility, shock absorption, friction reduction. Collagen, the fibrous protein framing your musculoskeletal system, holds you together. Key fact, production plummets from your mid-20s, crashing by 50s, 60s. Where are you watching from? Comment below with questions. Subscribe, notifications on for top health content. Still here? Comment 1 if it resonates, 0 if not. This isn't cosmetic. It's structural, hitting mobility, posture, recovery, pain. Low collagen thins cartilage, strips cushioning, irritates joints, invites injury. Add decades, stress, arthritis. Your body creaks like old stairs. Enter collagen-enhanced yogurt, fortified to spark synthesis. Unlike basics, it repairs connective tissue with raw materials your cells crave. No gimmicks, just natural prompts to rebuild. Key nutrient 1, vitamin C, essential for collagen production. It links amino acids into collagen's triple helix and shields against breakdown as an antioxidant. Pair yogurt with strawberry, blueberry, kiwi, pineapple. Perfect rejuvenation. Next, zinc, vital for collagen formation, enzyme activation, tissue repair, immune health. Blend with pumpkin seeds, chia, hemp hearts for recovery power. Low zinc, slow healing, weak fibers, avoid for joint pain. Then amino acids, glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, the collagen building blocks for cartilage, ligaments, tendons. Aging dips them, supplements help. Brands add hydrolyzed collagen peptides, absorbable, efficient. DIY is simple. High protein Greek yogurt, 15-20 gr serving as base. Add unflavored collagen powder scoop. Half cup berries for vitamin C, tablespoon pumpkin sunflower seeds for zinc, turmeric black pepper for extra anti-inflammation, creamy, tangy, sweet, collagen-rich superfood. Science backs it. Collagen peptides cut osteoarthritis pain, boost mobility, thicken cartilage. One trial, 12 weeks daily, yielded big joint comfort, flexibility gains, especially knees, hips. Move better, bend easier, stand longer, walk farther. Bonus, collagen firms skin, cuts wrinkles, strengthens hair or nails, rewind, aging inside out. Ripple effects, better posture, glycine-aided digestion, healthier vessels. It shines with habits. Omega-3s curb inflammation, protein preserves muscle, probiotics heal gut, anti-inflammatory yogurt soothes, protein-rich strengthens, omega-3 lubricates, collagen restores, achieve regeneration, not symptom masking, accessible, grocery or kitchen, empowering, healing in your hands, on your spoon, achy knees on stairs, stiff hips from bed, sore hands post-gardening. Restore what your body needs. Collagen yogurt soothes and rebuilds, comforts and revitalizes, strengthens beyond hunger. What's in your yogurt? Your healing, packed with collagen, omega-3s, probiotics, protein to slash pain, ease stiffness, rebuild strength inside out. Consistency wins. If this helped, like, share, subscribe. Someone needs this powerhouse. Thanks for watching. One mindful spoonful daily renews knees and body.